turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You will now be able to see the 4 coils of the engine, which give you access to the spark plugs. We advise changing the spark plugs one by one, since it is vital not to get them mixed up. Switch off the power to the coils. To do this, press on the plastic tab in a way that frees the spur that stops the terminal from coming out. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the nut that holds in the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Careful, the coils are fragile. It is important to handle them with care. Insert the spark plug wrench with a big extension into the holes and loosen the spark plug. Since the threading is very long, after you have got it going, put the wrench down and unscrew by hand to save time. Take out the old spark plug and check that it is identical to the new one. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket. Since it is so fragile, start this off by hand, giving the proper support the plug needs before finishing the process with a wrench. Always start screwing by hand and finish using a wrench 1/16 of a turn. To remove the spark plug socket and avoid it getting stuck in the hole, you will need to make the small lateral back and forward movements again. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in. Put the holding nuts back on, using the paper towel technique in the socket. This will ensure that the nut is firmly held in place and won't be falling off. Reconnect the coil. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.